All right, today we're going to start refreshing polynomials and factoring. So some vocab. Ooh, sorry, that's a little dark. A polynomial is a finite sum of terms of the form a x to the n power. Oh my, this is not going well. Okay. Where the coefficient a is a real number, the exponent n is a whole number, and it'll be written in order of degree. So biggest exponent first and then going down. The leading coefficient is the coefficient on the term with the highest degree, so the biggest exponent. And the degree of the polynomial is the largest exponent. It should be found on your leading term. Now a review of factoring. We are going to check for a GCF and factor it out front if possible. If our first number is 1, so when I say a, I'm talking ax squared plus bx plus c. So if a is 1, we want to find two numbers that multiply to c and add to b. If a is not 1, we are going to use the guess and check method. So let's factor. Okay, this is not going well. We're going to pause. Okay, hopefully this goes a little better. So to start factoring, we start with the GCF, the biggest thing that can go into both of these terms. Well, I know I can take a 5 out of 5 and 20, and I can take an x out of both. That leaves me with x squared, because 5x times x squared makes 5x cubed, minus 4, because 5 times 4 makes 20, and that x is there. Now we are going to factor this. This is going very badly because this keeps focusing. Okay, well, we're going to try this. We need two numbers now that multiply to 4, negative 4, and add to my b value. My b value there is a 0x. So I need two numbers that multiply to negative 4 and add to 0. Those numbers are positive 2 and negative 2. So we factor. We have our 5x out front still. And then we make two sets of parentheses. Each will start with an x because x times x makes x squared. I'm going to use positive 2 and negative 2, so x plus 2 and x minus 2. For this other one, y squared minus 11y plus 30. All right, I don't have a GCF to take out, so I don't have to worry about that. I need two numbers that multiply to give me 30 and add to give me negative 11. Oops, and you can't see that. Sorry about this. Okay, so numbers that multiply to 30 and add to negative 11. Well, I know they both need to be negative so that I can add to a negative and multiply to a positive. And then 5 times 6 makes 30, and 5 plus 6 makes 11. So my factored version is y minus 5 times y minus 6.